Welcome to TAPOSHI education tutorial. Student, in this chapter chemical reaction and equation, we already started the chemical reaction and law of conservation of mass. In this portion, we discuss about the changes. When we look at our surrounding, we can observe various type of changes around us. Some of these changes are slow, some of these changes are fast. Like the growth in plants and animals, or very fast, like the burning of fuel or melting of ice. Some changes are reversible, like water changing into water vapor on heating and changing back into ice on freezing. But are some reversible, like blasting of a balloon or cooking of food. Some changes in occur suddenly, like earthquake and tsunamis, while some occurs after a regular interval of time, like rising and setting of sun. We also oftenly observe changes like release of heat while cooking food, changes of color during ripening of fruits, changes in state like water into solid, ice. Changes can be categorized into following types. Some changes slow and fast, some are reversible and irreversible, some are periodic and non-periodic, some are natural and man-made, some of physical and chemical changes. Those who were read in class 9 and 10, for those students in here, the reversible and irreversible and physical and chemical change very important. Okay student, here we discuss about the little more reversible reaction and focus on the physical and chemical changes. Okay student, now just I introduce about the reversible and irreversible changes. As you know student, when the substance can be changed back into their original form, they are called the reversible changes. These changes are temporary, like the change in state, shape or size of substances. And other hand, when the substance cannot be changed back into their original form, they are called irreversible changes. These changes are permanent and new substances are formed. Example of the reversible changes. You know student that melting of ice into water or freezing of water into ice, making and remaking shape with play dough, inflating and deflating a balloon. Lots of the examples are there. In the other case, irreversible changes like the frying of eggs, cooking food, burning of paper, curdling of milk, rusting of iron and baking of cake. These are the all examples of reversible, irreversible changes. I hope student in this part you clearly understood the reversible and irreversible changes. I hope you better understand in this portion. Next part we discuss about the physical and chemical changes. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.